and lateral. Total is self-explanatory. What is lateral?
Everything but the base.
Everything but the bases, or base. Okay? Everything but the bases. The way I think of total is like if I'm wrapping a package. Okay? Lateral surface area, even though we do not do cylinders in 7th grade, I feel like surface area is not including the bases. You can look at it like paper towels on a roll. The lateral would be the actual paper towel. You wouldn't find the area of the top or the bottom, the circle. Are you with me? So let's go on to page 2 and just get this party started. So on example 1, I want you to watch and not write. That is what?
Square pyramid. Wait, rectangular.
I'm sorry, what?
Rectangular prism.
A rectangular prism. That is a rectangular prism. Okay? Rectangular prism. When you are looking at a rectangular prism, you can decide what you want the bases to be in order to do lateral surface area. Okay? So in this case, let's just make the bases the top and the bottom, okay? So I'm going to highlight the top. You can't see the bottom, but is it there?
Yes.
Yes. I have really unique words to describe these. Are you ready? We're going to do this side right here. This is going to be called the right side. And what do you think the other side's called? The left. I know, it's weird, isn't it? So I'm going to call that, please don't write, please just watch. The right and the left. I know, hold on to yourself, it's hard. So we are looking at just this rectangle right here. What are the dimensions of just this rectangle?
5 and 4.
5 and 4. It's going to get hard. Are you ready?
No.
What's 5 times 4?
20.
Ooh, that's hard. That is for the right side. But wait, there's more. You got to have the left side, which is, guess what? 20. So we're just going to multiply that times 2, and that gives us 40. So the area of the right and the left is 40. Okay? I know, it's hard. Hold on. And then, this one's really hard. This, you see this right here?
Yeah.
This is the front. And guess what the other one's called?
Back.
The back. Oh, the front and the back. Oh my gosh. So hard. What are the dimensions of the front? 15 and 5. Just watch, don't write. And what does that equal? 75. That's for the front. But wait, there's more. Times 2 gives us
52.
what?
What is y'all's math today?
You didn't say anything.
Oh, sorry.
I'm recording, so first of all, stop.
Oh.
150. All right? Y'all can write that down now.
It was hard not to write.
As y'all are writing, I'm going to go ahead and add these up because that's going to give me my lateral surface area. I got 190. Everybody got it written? Now we have to do the bases. And this is really hard. Are you ready? What do you think I call this? The top. I know. And what's its friend?
Bottom.
The bottom. So I'm going to call that the top and the bottom. And what are the dimensions of the top?
4.
15.
15 and 4. Good. 15 times 4 equals what?
60.
60. That's the top. But wait, there's more. Times 2 is 120. In order to find the total surface area, we have to add that to 190. Please do that. I got 310. That's how you find surface area.
It's easy.
When you get to 8th grade, there's a formula for this one, but we're not going to do it because you can do my way with everything instead of having to learn different formulas. Plus, it's not on the formula chart. Okay, let's look at example 2. Stop it. Stop it. What?
So don't let us use that way in 8th grade?
Probably not.
Yeah, they will. They'll let you do it however you get the right answer, I'm pretty sure.
I felt
Let's look at example 2. What is this?
a square pyramid.
A square pyramid. What is the shape of the base?
Square.
A square. To find the lateral, we are going to find
The triangles.
the surface area, the area of just the triangles. How many triangles are there?
4.
4. Since I don't like odd numbers, I'm going to change this 11 to a 10.
Whoa.
So y'all do that too. Okay. So we're going to find the area of the triangles. What's the formula for the area of a triangle?
8 equals 1/2 base times height.
That's right. And just the triangle. What's the base? 3. What's the height?
10.
10. Perfect. You can have 10, right? What's that?
5.
And so the area is,
15.
that is 1. How many are there?
4.
4.
So
Times 4 gives you 60. The lateral surface area is 60. What shape is the base?
square.
What is that formula?
8 equals base times.
And that's going to be what?
3 times 3.
Which is?
9. No.
And in order to find the total, we simply
Times 4. 2. 1.
add, what is the total?
69.
Perfect. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're going to skip example 3. I'm not a big fan of that one. It's kind of weird. Turn the page to example 4. What is the lateral surface area of this triangular prism? What is the total surface area of this triangular prism? How many rectangles are there?
2. 3. Oh, 4.
4.
4.
I don't know. I can't go thing.
1. There's 2 because it's 1 and 2.
There's the bottom one too.
That's the rectangle.
How many rectangles are there?
2. 3. Oh, rectangle 3.
There are 3.
Oh.
I'm telling you they're all the same size. Okay? What is the formula for the area of a rectangle?
8 equals base times height.
We are looking at just the rectangles. Remember, you got to look at this 3-dimensional figure as what it is. So what are the measurements of the rectangle, the dimensions?
4.
8 times 4, which is
32.
32. But wait, there's how many?
3.
3.
96.
So the lateral surface area is 96. What is the shape of the base? Triangle. What is that formula?
8 equals 1/2 base times height.
We are looking at just the triangle. What is the base?
4.
What is the height of the triangle?
8.
The triangle. It's 4. Do you see the right angle right here?
Oh, I see that.
It's 4 and 4. And half of 4?
2.
And 2 times 4?
8.
But there's 2.
Times 2.
Times 2 is,
It's 16.
how do we find the total? Add that to
11.
96.
112.
Is everybody with me?
Yes.
Yes, we good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want you to try to find the total surface area on the we do, number 1. You do not have to do lateral, just do the total.
Okay.
Just do the total surface area. That is the first one that we did. That's the one you're going to do. The one that we just did. The first one we did, I mean. Except you're just doing the total. You don't have to pick a base. You may not do it in the same order that I do. It's okay. I'm going to do the top and the bottom first. What are the dimensions of the top?
The 20.
Times
4.
the top. 6. And what 20 times 6?
120.
But wait,
More.
there's 2. What is that?
200.
Perfect. Now I'm going to do the front and the back. What are the dimensions of the front?
24.
24.
The top and the bottom was 20 and 4.
What? But like,
I messed up.
how do you, the top and bottom? How do you know it's not 20 and 6?
That's the front and the back. Because right here is the 6.
Oh,
This is the front and the back are 20 and 6. The top is 20 and 4. So we'll do, I mixed it up. This is the top and the bottom. It'll be 20 times 4, which equals
40.
what?
80.
80. But wait, there's 2. What is that? And then we're going to do the right and the left. What are the dimensions there?
4.
6.
There you go. What's that equal?
24.
But wait,
More.
there's more. That wasn't very exciting, Oscar, if there's more. What's 24 times 2?
48.
Add all those up for the total surface area.
5.
Everybody already got it done?
Yes.
That's 1014, right?
Thank you.
Carry the 1 and you get 448.
Yes, ma'am. I got 480.
I got 58.
I did too. I got 528.
Do you have the same numbers written that I do, 240, 160, and 48?
I did it different.
And you added them up?
I did it way more different.
But then you did it incorrectly if you got the wrong answer. So you need to write down the right way to do it. If you have the same answers there and you got something different than 448 here, we need to work on our adding skills. While Yandell's writing that down, I'm going to tell you here on number 2, we're going to mark out that 0.3 because I'm not trying to deal with that. Everybody got it? Okay. Number 2, mark out that 0.3. And we're going to do this one with lateral and total. So first we're going to do lateral. That's going to mean finding the area of what? The rectangles. Does everybody see the 3 rectangles? You got one in the back here. You got the bottom right here. And then you got the front right here. Does everybody see them? Okay. They're all the same, right? So what is the formula for the area of a rectangle? Write it down. What is the measurement of the base? 14. And what is the measurement of the height of the rectangle?
8.
The height of the rectangle. It's 10. And what is 14 times 10?
140.
But how many are there? There are 3. So we got to multiply it times 3.
420.
So the lateral surface area is 420. Are we good? Now we have to find what? The what? The bases. That's right. Do you see the 2 triangles that are the bases? We can find just the area of one, right? And then multiply it times 2. What is the formula for the area of a triangle?
Area of the base times height.
No. We are just finding the area of a triangle. What is the measurement of the base of the pink triangle?
10.
And what is the measurement of the height of the pink triangle? 8. What is half of 10?
5.
If I'm writing it down, you write it down. What is the area of 40? But there's how many? 2. What is that? 80. How do we find the total surface area? You add those 2 together.
500.
So the total surface area is 500. Is everybody catching on so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got all that written? You sure? Everybody? All right. Now you're going to have to look at that extra page. For number 3, we're going to do our little block of cheese here. This one has, what is this figure? Right here. What is this figure? Triangular prism. It has 3 rectangles. This is the extra page that Yandel gave you.
Oh, okay.
This is the extra page that Yandel gave you. It's the one that the copier pulled up 2 pages, I guess, and made, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to highlight these 3 rectangles for you so you can see them. Do you see the one in the back here?
Yes.
Yeah. Or the side, I guess. And then you got the one in the back here. Does everybody see that one? And then you got your front fella here. See this one? And then you have 2 triangles. We'll get to those in a minute. First, we're going to do lateral, which is going to be the 3 rectangles. They're all different. What's the formula for the area of a rectangle? Let's do the pink one first. What are the dimensions?
5.
5 and
6.
6. Does everybody see how it's 5 and 6?
Yes.
So the area of that one is
30.
30. Now let's do the yellow. What are the dimensions?
12.
And 6. What is that?
72.
72. And then we're going to do the green one. What are the dimensions? 13 and 6. Y'all can go ahead and do that. I'm just making some room for me to write. So this is going to be 13 times 6, which is, how do we find the lateral surface area?
You add all of them up.
You add them all together. Did everybody get 180?
Yes.
Now, does everybody see the triangles?
Yes.
I'm going to make them orange.
How'd you get one?
See them?
You had it already.
And then you got them on the bottom.
Isn't it 7+7+14?
Yes? Does everybody see them?
Yes, ma'am.
And what signifies the base and the height of a triangle? The right angle. What is the formula for the area of a triangle?
Area equals 1/2 times the base.
We are looking at just the orange triangle. What is the base?
12. Wait.
12. What?
12. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, 12.
And what is the height? The orange triangle. 5. What is half of 12?
6.
And 6 times 5?
30.
But wait, yes, that's right. There's how many?
There's 2.
So what is that?
60.
60. How do we find the total?
Add 180.
Add it to 180.
This ain't that hard, miss.
240. Everybody still good?
Yes, ma'am.
No? I can't hear you.
Okay, now ready.
So everybody got everything written down?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's look at number 4. What is that? Square pyramid. Let's find the lateral first. That means you're finding the area of what? Triangles. How many are there?
4.
What's the formula? We are looking at the triangle. What is the base?
8.
And the height?
16.
Can you I would just half the 16. That would give us 8 times what?
8 times 8.
Which is? But there's how many?
4.
4. There's 4. What is it? 256? That is your lateral. Now we have to do the square base. What is that? Area equals? Which is 8 times what?
8.
Which is?
64.
So let's add that to 256. What is it, 320? What do you think? Pretty easy? All right. We're gonna skip number 5. Let's go to number 6. Turn the page over. That should be the loose page. Turn it over. Chloe wants to wrap a present in a box for Sarah. The top and bottom of the box is 8 inches by 3 inches. The sides are both 3 inches by 2 inches, and the front and back are 8 inches by 2 inches. How much wrapping paper will Chloe need to wrap the present? It gives you everything you need. I'm going to start with the top and the bottom. T and B. Write it down. What are the dimensions?
8 and 3.
Which equals?
24.
24. But wait.
There's more.
There's more. There's 2 of them. Which is? And then we're going to do the sides. I call those the right. And what are those dimensions?
2 and 8.
3 times 2, which is?
6.
But wait. What's 6 times 2?
12.
And then we got to do front and the back.
Or the front and back.
And that is 8 times 2, which is?
16. Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
There's 2. That's right. What's 16 times 2? And what do we do?
Add them all.
Add them together. That's 92. Everybody get 92?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Number 7. The pyramids of South America are shaped like square pyramids. The base of the pyramid is 120 meters long, and the slant height of the pyramid is 100 meters long. What is the total surface area of this pyramid? What does it mean by slant height? The height of what?
The height of the triangle.
Of the triangle. You guys think you can do that one by yourself?
Yes.
Try to do it by yourself.
No.
Okay, I'm going to start working it and see how we did. First, it says, what is the total? I'm going to do the triangles first. 1/2 base times height. Did y'all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's going to be 120 times 100, right? It's half of 120. 60 times 100 gives me 6,000. But there's 4. 24,000. Then I got to do the base. It's a square, right? So it's going to be 120 times. Is that right? And that's 144 and 2 zeros. Then what do I do? Add them up. Come on. Stop it. That's a 4, that's a 8, and that's a 3. Everybody get 38,400? Everybody?
No.
Who said no? What'd you get?
51,600. I just forgot to add the halves.
Oh, you didn't half the triangle.
Yeah, I didn't have.
Gotcha.
That's fine.
Gotcha. Number 8. Mrs. Maldonado built a pyramid with a square base. The pyramid has a slant height of 12 feet and is 4 feet wide at the base. She only wants to paint the top, which is the sides of the pyramid. How much will she paint? What is this asking you for?
The size of the pyramid.
Just the sides. It's called the what surface area? The lateral. Since we're doing just the 4 triangles, I did 1/2 base times height. Area equals. So what is the measurement of the base of the triangle? 4? What's the height?
12,
It's half of 4.
2,
And 2 times 12? 24. But wait, there's 4. What's that? 96. Awesome. You good? Now look at number 9. From number 8, 1 gallon covers 10 square feet. How many gallons will she need? Write a proportion. Gallons, square feet. This is not a surface area. This is a rate question. 1 gallon covers how much? 10 square feet. How many square feet is she covering?
96.
Where does that go?
on the bottom.
Solve that proportion. What'd you get? Good. Why is she going to need 10 gallons? Why will she not need 9.6? Because you can't get 0.6 of a gallon. Good job. 10 gallons. Okay, you know what? We'll just stop there and y'all can have a little free time. How's that sound? Turn those in. We'll pick that up. We'll do surface area tomorrow. We'll do next week. We got IXL tomorrow.
Wait, you didn't use no Excel, did you?